रोशनी वो इल्म की तुम ही रहनुमा जो तूने दिया जो तूने किया जो तुझसे मिला वो प्यार कहाँ जो तूने दिया जो तूने किया जो तुझसे मिला वो प्यार कहाँ माँ बाप सी शफकत भी है इल्म की दौलत भी है और तेरी दुआओं से हर कदम इज्जत भी है हमें हौसला तूने दिया हाँ यकीन तूने दिया जिस पे आगे बढ़े कदम वो रास्ता तूने दिया तुम ही रोशनी वो इल्म की तुम ही रहनुमा
మించిన పరిజ్ఞానాన్ని ఈ వేదిక పైన నేను మాట్లాడే అర్హత పొందాను. అలాంటి నా గొప్ప గురువులకు నేను తల వంచి నమస్కరిస్తున్నాను.
कभी प्यार से कभी डांट से जीवन जीना हमें सिखाते.
Constant fiery and it is truly amazing. Can you imagine the world without teachers?
No, I cannot imagine. In fact, me and the whole world would have been in darkness and branded us as illiterates.
You mean अंधेरा था?
Yeah, exactly.
ये सब सुनने के बाद मुझे गुरुओं का महत्व और भी जानना है.
तो देर किस बात.
Institutions and chairperson of CMR Medical Sciences, Director S.K. Reddy sir, CBSE Principal Mrs. Lizzie Benedict, SSC Principal Mrs. Nageshwari ma'am. I request all the dignitaries to please come on to the dais and have their seat. So I request both the principals of CBSE and SSC, Mrs. Lizzie Benedict and Mrs. Nageshwari ma'am, to please present a bouquet to our honorable chief guest, Shri Gopal Reddy sir.
Now your speech.
Thank you, ma'am. Chief guest Shri Gopal Reddy sir. In the pond, out of the pond game winners, first prize goes to Mrs. Madhavi and Mrs. Malati. Give them a huge round of applause, children. Second prize goes to Mrs. Evelina. Next we have winners for lemon race. First prize goes to Mrs. Veena and Mrs. Ragasudha. Second prize goes to Mrs. Rajini and Mrs. Sudha.
Mrs. Ramadevi. Second winner, Shailika G. Anita Primary. Balloon game, Mrs. First prize winner, Mrs. Swapnika. Second, Mr. Mahendra. Direction game, in and out, Mrs. Swapna, Mrs. Kiranmai. Then afterwards,
At first, I request S.K. Reddy sir to please receive the gift from our honorable chief guest. Now I request Mrs. Nageshwari ma'am to receive the gift. Now I request Mrs. Lizzie Benedict ma'am to please receive the gift. Now I
राह दिखाए वो मुश्किल में ज्ञान की ज्योत जलाते हैं, सही गलत की दे पहचान, जीना हमको सिखाते हैं। हो गुरु बिना है ज्ञान का, लोग यही बतलाते हैं, सींचा हो खुद माली ने वो फूल कहाँ मुरझाते हैं। दे जीवन को आकार गुरु, कर सपनों को साकार गुरु, धूल गुरु के चरणों की ये सुरभित चंदन है। हाथ जोड़ सब गुरुजनों का दिल से वंदन है। मेरा संसार अभिमान है गुरुवर, ज्ञान की खान है गुरुवर, तुम्हें प्रणाम है गुरुवर। मेरा संसार है गुरुवर, मेरा अभिमान है गुरुवर, ज्ञान की खान है गुरुवर, तुम्हें प्रणाम है गुरुवर।
शुक्रिया 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 शुक्रिया। आज जो भी है हम सब है आपकी ही बदौलत, आपके समर्पण को सलाम। शुक्रिया 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 शुक्रिया।
हाथ थाम के आपने है हमको सब सिखाया, माफ की गलतियां संभाला जब भी लड़खड़ाया।
शुक्रिया 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 शुक्रिया।
గదిలో తలరాతలు మార్చేటి గురువులారా, విశ్వానికి విజ్ఞానం అందించే ఆది గురువులారా। తరగతి గదిలో తలరాతలు మార్చేటి గురువులారా, విశ్వానికి విజ్ఞానం అందించే ఆది గురువులారా। రాజు పేద భేదం చూపని ఉపాధ్యాయులారా, రాజు పేద భేదం చూపని ఉపాధ్యాయులారా। ఎంత చెప్పినా తరగని మా త్యాగధనుల్లారా, తరగతి గదిలో తలరాతలు మార్చేటి గురువులారా, విశ్వానికి విజ్ఞానం అందించే ఆది గురువులారా। వయసులోన పలక బలపంతో మొదలు పయనం, అంచలంచెలుగా మేమెదుగుతుంటే మురిసెను మీ హృదయం। ఆటపాటల్లో అండగుంటూ మమ్ము ప్రోత్సహిస్తుంటారు, అందలమెత్తుకు మేమెల్లుతుంటే పొంగిపోతుంటారు। ఎదిగే కొద్దీ ఒదిగుండాలని జీవిత సత్యాలను చెబుతూ, ఎదిగే కొద్దీ ఒదిగుండాలని జీవిత సత్యాలను చెబుతూ, కృషి ఉంటే మీరు ఋషులవుతారని నమ్మకం నూరిపోస్తారు। తరగతి గదిలో తలరాతలు మార్చేటి గురువులారా, విశ్వానికి విజ్ఞానం అందించే ఆది గురువులారా। గొప్ప మేధావులను ప్రపంచానికి అందిస్తారు. డాక్టరు, కలెక్టరు, ఇంజనీర్లకు మీరే పునాదులేస్తారు. తరమెల్లిపోతే సృష్టి చీకటని మరో టీచర్ను చేస్తారు. రేపటి తరము అంధకారంగా ఉండొద్దని ముందుంటారు. రాష్ట్రాన్నేలే సీఎం అయినా, దేశాన్నేలే పిఎం అయినా, రాష్ట్రాన్నేలే సీఎం అయినా, దేశాన్నేలే పిఎం అయినా, మీ నుండి విద్య నేర్చినోళ్ళయా, ఒకనాటి మీ శిష్యులేనయ. తరగతి గదిలో తలరాతలు మార్చేటి గురువులారా, విశ్వానికి విజ్ఞానం అందించే ఆది గురువులారా. చిందే జీవితం పచ్చ పెన్నుతో పెట్టే సంతకం. సమాజంలో ఈ గౌరవం 10 మందిల గొప్పగా బతకటం. ఎట్ల తీరునో మీ రుణం, ఏమిస్తే చెల్లునో మీ త్యాగం. మాటల్లో చెబితే సరితూగునా టీచర్ల గొప్పతనము. నింగి నేల ఉన్నన్నాళ్ళు మీ విద్య బోధనుండాలయ్యా, నింగి నేల ఉన్నన్నాళ్ళు మీ విద్య బోధనుండాలయ్యా. అధ్యాపకులే లేకుంటే ఈ వ్యవస్థ చీకటి పాలయ్యా. తరగతి గదిలో తలరాతలు మార్చేటి గురువులారా, విశ్వానికి విజ్ఞానం అందించే ఆది గురువులారా.
wisdom and guidance of our children's school to enlighten our heart with their guidance and knowledge and compassion. It is an opportunity to express our heart of gratitude towards our children's school. So let's start this program by devotional dance performance.
हज़ारों फूल चाहिए एक माला बनाने के लिए कि हज़ारों फूल चाहिए एक माला बनाने के लिए और हज़ारों रंग चाहिए एक रंगोली बनाने के लिए और बस एक गुरु ही काफ़ी है हज़ारों बच्चों की ज़िंदगी स्वर्ग बनाने के लिए।
To our parents or your mom. We thank our teachers for being our parents and guiding us
with a true heart and affection.
Shukriya, galti se mistake. Anything we have done wrong, please do forgive us.
Students of grade 7, 8, 9 and 10 are going to perform a dance performance on these songs. So let's welcome them with a big round of applause.
कि जिंदगी तो काली थी ना ही रंगों का ठहराव था, कि जिंदगी तो काली थी ना ही रंगों का ठहराव था, जिंदगी तो तब उजागर बनी जब गुरु नाम का प्रभाव था।
So grade 1, 2 and 3 to exhibit their dance performance on a famous student song as All Is Well. So let's welcome them with a big round of applause. Thank our dance team for this.
खून का रिश्ता तो नहीं है हमारा, पर हमारे लिए जान भी देते हैं। बस माँ बाप के अलावा गुरु ही तो होते हैं जो हमारे सब कुछ, जो हमारी हमेशा सहायता करते हैं।
Filled with exciting performances to make it a memorable day for teachers and students. So let's start again with the poet.
जिंदगी गिरवी रखकर भी, कहते हैं कि जिंदगी गिरवी रखकर भी ना चुका पाएंगे हम इनका कर्जा। महान दर्जा, माँ से भी बढ़कर भगवान बराबर गुरु का होता है महान दर्जा।
5th and 6th to exhibit their special dance performance on this special occasion.
Thank you, students, for your performance.
It is the supreme art of teachers to awaken joy in creative expression and knowledge. What do you say?
Yes, Sumaya, exactly said. Sumaya, who do you think is the true hero in your life?
What do you think?
Is it your mom?
No.
Is it your dad?
No.
Then who can it be?
It's our teachers. If I have to put someone on pedestal, I would have put our teachers because they are not only source of inspiration who illuminate us to education.
Yes, Sumaya, of course, I do agree. But what made you talk about teachers today? What's the matter?
Oh, Budhu, after looking at our gorgeous teachers, how can you forget that today is Teachers' Day?
Oh no, today is Teachers' Day. How did I even forget? So why don't we dedicate this day to our lovely teachers?
Okay, then let me call upon primary tiny tots to mesmerize the teachers with their rhythm and grace.
Telugu speech was there, but it's over, right? That I would say nicely only, ma'am. I'm getting confused here. I'm telling first, it's coming very slow.
Even I felt that. Am I saying something wrong? Why it's dragging?
Why it is dragging? I should say fast. If I
Because of the silence.
The same focus of 8th and 9th girls.
Okay.
Yes, just like that. You are
That was a graceful performance by the tiny Siamar. So audience, give them a thunder round of applause.
After dance, speech, who speaks?
After this dance,
8th grade boys. After that speech.
Or else you do one thing. Arjun speech, then dance. No? Two dances, right? Arjun?
Okay, huh? Tell them. Tell them. I should only tell comment. I should not.
Arjun speech. Remember that. Don't bother about the mic. Talk.
No, no, I cannot imagine. I will only tell comment. I will only start. Ma'am, I will only tell comment. I should only start in this speech.
Yeah.
not only learn to read and write slowly, but also to become capable. We want to be just like you. When you grow up, we love you teachers.
Okay, huh? I should start. That was a graceful performance by the tiny Siamar. So audience, give them a thunder round of applause.
Aishwarya, are you good at GK?
Of course, I am.
Okay, then let me test your GK. Who uses your name quite
me which is your favorite subject?
Can you guess?
Is it physics?
Not at all.
Why not?
Physics is such a vast subject that I find a lot of time to understand.
Then is it maths?
No, wrong guess.
Okay, fine. Can you please let us know what is your favorite subject?
It's English.
Why English, my dear?
Because English is a language which connects myriad cultures. It is a highway to higher education and it's very easy to understand.
Really, a hats off to all our teachers who are always concerned about our career. So let us stand by them and focus on our English skills.
Okay, then let me call upon Rida Nawal of 10th D to express her thoughts through an English speech.
Today, we are gathered here to celebrate a truly special occasion, that is Teachers' Day. I truly believe in the words of Joyce Meyer, who said, teachers can change life with the right mix of chalks and challenges. This day commemorates the birth of a remarkable Indian scholar who was the first Indian teacher to teach at prestigious Oxford University. Yes, I'm talking about Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was the first Vice President and second President of a country, India. You might be wondering why the birth of a former president is celebrated as Teachers' Day. Mr. Krishnan was a distinguished scholar and an excellent teacher as well. He was so popular among his students that he was rewarded. For all the students of India, Teachers' Day is like an occasion, opportunity to pay tribute and gratitude towards their teachers for their continuous, selfless and precious effort in shaping their future. On this day, it is essential to remember that teaching is a passion rather than only a job. It is an admirable endeavor that not only includes knowledge sharing but also enhances the lives of students. Without our teachers, whose efforts are sometimes discredited and underappreciated, our journey towards enlightenment could be incomplete. Today, I acknowledge and appreciate all the hard work, dedication, and sacrifices of our teachers. Your patience and perseverance make a profound impact on every student you teach. You help us to navigate not only academic challenges but also all the complexities of our life. The lesson you impart will resonate with us from years to come. As students, we may not always express our feelings, but we truly appreciate all your efforts. Lastly, I would like to conclude my speech with few lines of gratitude towards our beloved teachers. A classroom bright with endless light, where wisdom flows and future ignites. A teacher stands with a gentle grace, guiding minds in every space. Thank you and happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers who are heroes without capes. Thank you. So audience, put your hands together. You know, Sumaya, I am very much blessed.
Why do you think you're very much blessed?
See, not only me, we both are blessed.
Can you say me in what way we both are blessed?
We are blessed with the wonderful and charming teachers of CMR.
Yeah, really. I have reached up to 10th standard not only because of my efforts but also the tremendous efforts of our amazing teachers.
So let's pay a tribute to all our versatile teachers of CMR by calling upon the girls of 8th and 9th standard with a dance performance.
प्रत्येक व्यक्ति के जीवन में दो लोगों का महत्वपूर्ण स्थान होता है।
Vote of thanks.
सर्वप्रथम वे होते हैं जो हमारे जीवन का आधार है, जिनकी छाया में हमारा जीवन समझता है। जी हाँ, हम बात कर रहे हैं हमारे जन्मदाता की, हमारे माता पिता की। हम बात कर रहे हैं हमारे शिक्षकों की।